Hey guys, it's really hard to believe, but I'm coming to you 32 weeks, 8 months after my ankle surgery. I just looked up the date on my calendar and I've been saying 6 months for a really long time, and then finally I started saying 7 months like a couple days ago and not realizing that it's already 8 months, which is just bananas. Um, so I've been getting emails from you guys. Like, I get about one or two emails a week. Um, and it's amazing. I mean, most of you guys are coming to me saying the same things, which is that you're relieved to have found my blog because you feel like you're alone and that nobody really understands the experience that you're having. Maybe I should publish a couple of letters, a couple of emails, not letters, that's too old school, um, on the blog just to show you guys that you're so not alone. And I know that it really feels that way, but it's great to hear your experiences, and I try to share mine with as many of you who write in as possible. Um, but yeah, so that's a really common comment. And then a lot of you also ask me sort of like what kind of pain I'm in now. Do I feel back to normal? I feel like I've talked about this a lot on the blog, but I haven't at 8 months. So at 8 months today, I feel functionally like a really normal person again. I can get up, take a shower, go to work, do yoga, sort of. And walking around, nobody would ever know that anything was weird with my body. But on the inside, I have, like, I'm thinking about it constantly. There's not a day that goes by that I don't obsess about my ankle a little bit. I always hold railings when I go downstairs. When I walk on wet leaves, I'm always really cautious. And just there's this tightness that's always, always, always there. Where I've been really tight the past like 2 weeks is in my calf. Because when I go to stretch my calf, it really only stretches my ankle because it's so tight that I don't know how anatomy wise how it works, but it seems like the stretch stops at my ankle and can't make it up to my calf. So the calf is really tight, and also the top of my foot is still pretty tight. Yoga is making it a little bit better, but certain poses are still pretty hard for me. And the back of, like, sort of where my Achilles, it's along my Achilles and kind of like the back of my ankle where it creases. That is kind of twingy sometimes too. So that's the pain that I'm in still. I don't take any pain meds or anything for it. I do see a massage therapist who's amazing, one or two times, well, 2 times a month usually, sometimes a little bit more than that. So yeah, that is where my pain stage is. I guess that's just what I wanted to share, and maybe I think I'll post some emails from you guys, not using your names or anything, but just so you know that you're not alone. And I really appreciate everybody who reached out. It's been an incredibly invaluable thing to receive feedback from you guys. And I guess that's it. I have a appointment with my surgeon next week, or the week after, to hopefully talk about getting the shit out of my ankle because it's terrible. So I think that might happen at the beginning of next year, so maybe January, February. So I'll keep you guys updated. And that is all. Keep those emails coming. I read all of them, and that's all.